Hey there and welcome to No Recipe Required. I'm Dave and tonight I'm going to do a flatbread for you. I've been getting really into these flatbreads because I start off with a store-bought pita, really easy. Obviously you're not doing anything. And then all kinds of toppings go really well. You can match the seasons. Tonight I'm going to do a simple tomato and basil topping with a little bit of mozzarella, kind of a spin on a margherita pizza, but much simpler to do because you're not really doing any sauce, you're not doing any crust from scratch, and it really only takes about 10 minutes to put it all together. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's go ahead and make our margherita flatbread. I've got my bread here store-bought. I like to drizzle the top with just a little bit of olive oil to start. And then flatbreads for me are pretty light on the topping. So I'm going to go maybe 3 uber thin slices of tomato. And then kind of over the tomato, 3, maybe we'll call it 4 little pieces of fresh mozzarella. They're going to melt in there. Dry my hands a bit. And then you want to make sure you get some salt on it, as well as some fresh ground black pepper. And then I'm going to put this in a 500 or 450 degree oven right on a pizza stone, maybe a touch more olive oil, and just kind of let it cook off as quickly as possible. Super high heat, that's how you're going to get it nice and crispy. And then we're going to come back, finish it at the very end with a little bit of basil. Okay, once the flatbread is nice and nicely crisp, you're going to take it out of the oven. I've got a little bit of diced basil, or finely chopped basil. I'm going to throw right on the pizza, and that's just going to, the heat, residual heat is just going to kind of wilt that basil just a tiny bit. A little bit more olive oil, and there we go with our margherita flatbread pizza. I'll see you next time on No Recipe Required.